Alright, today we are going to be working on this leather kit. Let's see what tools and materials are included in the kit. First up is the pigment pack. And then there's the leather stored in a white bag, which also doubles as a tool pouch. Next, there's a small wooden hammer for installing hardware. There's also a set of stamping templates and transfer paper, which includes 3 templates and 1 sheet of transfer paper. Lastly, there's an instruction manual for leather crafting. Alright, let's take a look at the pigments now. Let me introduce the different colors and their uses. This is the evergreen, which is used for dyeing earrings. This madder red is for dyeing wallets and bookmarks. This amber is the color you'll use for wallets and keychains. This scarlet vermilion orange is used for earrings, keychains, and bracelets. Lastly, this edge sealant is used to bond the edges of the leather pieces. Alright, let's take a look at the toolkit and go over what's inside and how to use each item. First up is the palette, which used for holding the paints. Next is a pair of thread scissors for cutting the wax thread. Then we have a swivel carving knife. After removing the black cap from one end, you'll see the cutting head. When using it, place your index finger in the groove and apply pressure while holding and rotating with your middle and thumb fingers. This is a drawing pen used when transferring patterns onto leather. It has a sharp tip, so be careful when handling it. Here are 3 stamping tools for embossing designs onto the leather, used alongside a hammer. Each stamp has different patterns. The stitching needle is for sewing the wax thread through the leather. These are finger cots, which you wear on your fingers to improve grip and make pulling the thread easier. They also protect your fingers from stains during dyeing. This is the wax thread, essential for stitching. Small clips are used to hold tracing paper and leather together tightly for easy pattern transfer. This is a key ring where the leather is attached to this large ring. It can be used like this. These ear hooks work with open jump rings as a set. Moving on, we have a buckle that swivels. To install it, insert the screw-like end into the slotted side and twist to secure it. Next, let's look at the 4-in-hand snap set, composed of 4 parts. For installation, the flat piece goes with the high-rising counterpart, while the other piece with a hole fits over the recessed part. Usually used for bracelets and card holders. This is an S-hook used on bracelets. A spacing gauge helps draw evenly spaced borders on card holders and bookmarks. Leather cord is used to tie bookmarks. The cord you see on bookmarks is this type of leather cord. The drawing pen can deepen the color on leather. This edge paring tool is for trimming the edges of keychains and bracelets, and I will demonstrate its use later. Here's the tool for installing the leather snap, usable on both sides depending on the piece being installed. For instance, the side with the groove goes on the pointed side, and the flat side goes on the other. Both sides are utilized based on need. This is a dauber brush for wetting and coloring leather. And this is a burnishing tool for smoothing the edges of wallets, card holders, keychains, and bracelets. Finally, we have numeric stamps to imprint patterns, numbers, or letters onto leather. There's a chart of letters, numbers, and symbols, and another for lowercase letters, all used with wooden handles.